Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to install Google Chrome browser on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on App Store and then tap search and search for Google Chrome. Then tap download icon. After downloading Google Chrome, tap open and tap continue. Tap no thanks, and that's it. Congratulations, Google Chrome has been installed successfully, and now you can access to any website you want. Just write it here, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and see you to the next video.